welcome back. Today, as you can tell, I have a nice setup that was louder than it should have been. So, as you can tell behind me, I have two huge bags. Okay, so I don't know how I would do it like this. As you can tell, I have my hair in a big ass bun, no makeup. It's Sunday, so no, I wear like I wear makeup like, put this there, cute. Well, I wear makeup like all week for work, so when I don't need to, I don't. So let's open the first bag. This is huge, by the way. I'm sure this video will be like 1 hour long, but we will try to make it as short as possible. So I ordered from this place. I think I just opened here, Korean place. It's called Tasty Korea, and I was so excited. Like, I love Korean food, and it's true that here where I live, there's not a lot of Korean places, and that really sucks. But when I saw this on my Uber Eats app, I was like, oh, I have to try. There's a lot of things. I think there's nothing that I ever tried. Like, all this is new for me, so we're gonna try it together. Okay, first thing, got soya sauce, wasabi and ginger. I don't like ginger. I like wasabi because it's spicy and I love spicy. Okay, this is, I wrote everything down by the way because, yeah. Okay, so let me see, this is kimbap tamago. And by the way, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing anything wrong, you guys tell me. Yeah, I'm trying to learn Korean with my shortest time. I'm really trying. I hope I can manage one day. That would be great, that's my dream. We'll talk about it later. So this is how it looks like. It looks good, wow. These are huge as like bites though, like they are big. We'll see. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, what's next? This is so cute, like look at these cute little boxes. If I manage to open it. Steam got everywhere. I got some sauce on my fingers. That tasted so good. I don't know which one this is. I got a lot of food. I got like at least for 10 people maybe, but I'm really hungry. It's 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. and I didn't eat anything today because I was busy cleaning and all that. So anyway, I got some chicken wings. Yeah, I don't know which one are these. I will see because I ordered. I said a lot, but at least I can bring it for tomorrow, so that's fine. Ooh, more chicken. I will not have place on this wooden plate to put everything, so yeah. What else? Ooh, this looks so good. Okay, I got these two. Oh. I'm excited. What else? Oh my god, it's like Christmas. Oh yeah, and they had an offer where you could buy one thing and they gave you one for free, so there's things that I will leave for work, so it's the same thing as the last one. Chicken with some sesame seeds. Yeah, I think I will leave this closed, like that I can put it in the fridge and warm it up. Yeah, we'll leave it here. We'll see if they gave me chopsticks, because if not I have to go take it. Other bag. Here are the good sauce. This, I believe it's Korean barbecue sauce. Okay, cool. Bitch, oh my. They really thought that it was for a family. Okay, cool. Okay, it's great. We will have a lot of things. This was, I think it was kimandu, if I'm not mistaken. This is basically, I think it's like gyoza. I'm not sure, but it looked really good, so we will try that. Next thing, oh yeah, these. Okay, so this was called K pulp. So pulp is octopus. Yeah, octopus. So I'm guessing it's like little octopus balls. Yes. And huge box. It's the last one, by the way. Don't worry, I will not get into a food coma. It looks so good, but they forgot my chopsticks. It's fine. It's fine. This. It's also chicken. I think I can leave it there to cook. And again, they have the offer for the drink juice. So I got like coconut juice. Love them. Love it there. And a Coke. Cool. This is really, oh my god, this is really for a family. Okay, anyways, let me just get some chopsticks and the straw, and I'll be back. I'm back. I have chopsticks and a metal straw. Where do I put everything? Yeah, look at that setup. Working quick. I think I will drink the coconut juice if I don't break a nail. I will probably break a nail. This hair. I never tried this either, so we'll try. It has like coconut pieces in there. Wow. I'm in love. Yeah, it has coconut pieces in there. Oh, the taste is so good. Ooh, this is professional setup. Okay, let's start. I don't know what will I start. What do I start with? You know what? Let's start with these balls. I have, oh shit. I have some sauce that goes with it. I don't know what sauce is this. Like, okay, let's try this. Wow. I can't explain. There's not a lot of like fish flavor in there. It's really soft. It's really good. And this sauce is pretty good. Wow. Really good. Okay. Not bad, not bad. We'll try now this. So, how was your guys' weekend? Mine was pretty boring actually. We just went to IKEA yesterday. Today my mom came and we cleaned a little bit because I still need to get my closet up. I don't know when will that happen, but I'm done. So tired already. That's so good. That's so good. That's really like gyoza. It really tastes like. I think there was a little bit of kimchi inside and vegetables. It was good. It was really good. Really like crispy too. So now we will try this, the kimbap. Oh man. Oh man. I put way too much on that. Holy shit. How will this fit in my mouth? How? You guys, how will I fit this in my mouth? That was biggest disaster. Never again. It's really good. It's really, really good. Wow. Korean food. Korea, I love you. Holy shit. Everything is so damn good. Wow. I was expecting it to be good, but it exceeded my expectations. I knew it would be good, but damn, it won't matter. So we'll try this now. Probably should use my fingers for this. No, we will use chopsticks, we'll be classy. It wouldn't slide so much. No! Use your fingers with this because anyways. I'm sorry I'm talking, but I'm just like blown away. One of them is supposed to be spicy. I think is this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. It looks spicy, so we'll see. Is the spicy one so damn good? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The spice is not a lot. I was expecting a bit more. But wow. Really good. Spicy is just good. Like, it gives it that kick that you need. Yes. Okay, let's stop now that there's one more thing I need to try. That is good. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to do a feast because it's been a while since I didn't eat like takeout, and I was like I would treat myself a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to relax. So yeah, I don't know. I want to know what is your guys' like dream job. If you could choose anything, what would you do? I mean, I always wanted to be a model. Like that was like my dream. I don't know. Maybe one day. On the happier note though, I'm excited to dye my hair. Like, I'm ready for a change. I love to like dye my hair a lot. Like, I've had it, I think, all colors. And I don't know, I was just thinking spring is coming, summer, to lighten up the hair. And I'm excited to go blonde again. It will be nice. I will try this first without the sauce, and after we'll dip it. I love my hair. Cute. I'm sorry, I probably shouldn't compare, but this is way better than KFC, way better than anything. I want to live like this food, like. And I also would like, where do you guys live? Like, where are you right now? And where would you like to be? For me, holy shit, making a mess, like always. For me, I would like, I live right now in Switzerland, the French part, and I would love to go to South Korea. Yeah. To see how it is to visit and if I like it to live there, because I already love their food, obviously, and just love their culture. I don't know. I also really wanted to start like dancing. I want to try and find like, I don't know, place. Like, I really want to dance like hip hop. I love it. I hope if I practice enough, I am able to. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm getting full already, which is bad because look at all this. But it will not go to waste. Tomorrow for lunch and dinner, so good. Oh yeah, and I need your guys' advice too. My skin is really dry. I don't know what to do. I've been using some Morphe skincare products. I feel like they dry my face out even more, which is bad because like I feel like whenever I use them, after a while my face starts to like try to smile, it like cracks because it's so damn dry. So I don't know. If you have any suggestions, I will take it with pleasure because I don't know what to do. So about my apartment, like I said, still I have to put the closet up, I still have to put the TV up, and I still have to put my clothes in the closet. So after that, that's done and I'm free. You guys are in my living room, by the way. As you can tell, it's really empty, it's not finished, and so it's pretty tiny, but I mean, for me alone, it's great. It's enough. Sometimes I feel like it's even way too big. Now it's falling apart. It fell apart. Oh, that was omelette. Oh. Oh. Wow. Can I fit it now? I really need to stop doing that. Okay, I will eat a little bit more and then it's done. I'm so full, wow. This really makes you full. You know what I wanna try? Like, here they don't sell them. I mean, you can buy it in the frozen food aisle, but I want to get it in a fast food place. That's like sweet potato fries. Like, oh, that sounds so good. It's so damn good. I need to see where I could buy them. I almost damn near ate the bomb. Damn. Whew. Wow. I love how throughout this video my hair is like doing it something, like it's big. Oh my god. Rapunzel! Leave your hair down. Oh my god. Honestly, I feel like I almost didn't talk in this video, I just ate. I'm sorry for that. Just so good, it took all my thoughts away. Really, really good. I think I'm done for now. I might eat later too if I'm hungry, but not right now. I'm so full. Wow. I didn't eat that much. Damn. I'm done. I hope you guys oh my god, you guys enjoyed this eat with me. It was a lot, not a lot of talking, but maybe you enjoy it more when I don't talk. I don't know, let me know. And I will see you in my next video, like always, and take care. Have a good week. Like, start your week good, positive. I don't know, do a face mask, light a candle, all that. That will boost your mood, or just like eat very good food, and that too. It's like, take care, love you guys, and